What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a language on region on ClickUp. To do that, click your account on the upper right hand side and click in settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down and you'll find language and region. You can simply click on that, change the language to whatever you want. And as you change it, you will notice that it reloads ClickUp. And so you will see that the language will change once your account actually loads. It's going to take a few minutes. Let's say maybe a minute to really load up because it has to load everything. Now you can see that the profile is changed with the new language. So that's how you go ahead and change the language in ClickUp. The same goes for the region as well. As you saw below that, you also have the region. It's going to be under the section for time zone, and so you're able to do it. I'll show you in a moment once ClickUp actually loads back in English. So as you can see, I scroll down now and there is a section for region or time zone. So you can go ahead and you can click on that and choose a different time zone if you want. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.